Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm a product specialist here at EarthWay, and today I will be assembling the 8-gallon power sprayer. First things first, the tools you will need. You will need 2 7/16 wrenches or a lock wrench that is 7/16. For your assembly hardware, you have 2 1/4x20 bolts with 2 lock nuts. Make sure you have your manual. It will give you all the instructions. You will have your handle assembly with your on and off switch, your T-jet nozzle boom, and your unit. So first things first, make sure you have everything out in front of you, ready to pick up, ready to assemble. Second thing, make sure you have wrapped your wand hose around the tank and clipped it into your wand clips. This ensures that nothing gets in the way, nothing gets squished while you're assembling. All right, let's look at the manual. We will start on step 3. We will start by installing our handle assembly. Now make sure your on and off switch is pointing upwards like this. Doesn't want to be backwards, doesn't want to be anywhere like that. Also, you have a wire that runs up and down the handle shaft, so beware that you might need to do a little finagling to get your bolt into the handle shaft. Next, let's use our lock wrench or your adjustable wrench to tighten these down. Now on to step 4, let's plug in the wires. You have 2 connection wires that go into your 2 red connectors. The color does not matter, so just plug in, make sure it's pretty secure. You want to hear a click when you plug it in. Now you know your motor is ready. Step 5, we're going to tip this unit forward. Okay, gonna get it ready for our step 6. And step 6 is to put one hand on the axle, one hand on the handle shaft, push the handle shaft forward, and then remove this hardware. This is where our frame braces will go. Next, we're going to take our frame brace on the outside of your lower frame, and it's going to go in the first hole or hole that's closest to the end of the frame brace. Okay, we're going to grab our bolt like we just did, put the bolt through the frame base, then through this hole, just like so. Secure with a lock nut. Do that on the other side. Frame brace, put bolt through first, then put it through your lower frame and secure with a lock nut. Now let's tighten those down while we're at it. All right. Now step 7, we're going to turn the sprayer around to face us to clip in the spray boom. This is your spray boom. Now you want to make sure that the orange connection is pointing towards the inside of the sprayer and that your T-jet nozzle is pointed down towards the ground. And it's going to just clip in to either side. You can even it out a little bit to make it look more symmetrical. Now for the last step, we're going to insert the connection hose. This is where the water goes to get to the boom. So here is our connection hose. It's going to pop right into this orange connector, push it in to feel a bit of a click, and then just loosely, slightly pull it back out. That secures it, kind of like a Chinese finger catcher. All right, now if you want to remove the seal, just press the seal with your 2 fingers and pull the hose out if you want to drain the hose before the winter season. Other than that, congratulations, you have assembled your 8-gallon power sprayer.